નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. This is part 3 of Standard 5th Mathematics, Chapter 1. The name of the chapter is Our National Fruit Mango. In the last part, in second part we discussed up to this exercise, in which we discussed that a farmer having 200 mango trees. How many? 200 mango trees in his orchard, and each tree gives 18 boxes of 12 kilogram mangoes. Then these 200 mango trees will give 43,200 kilogram of mango in a season. That what we discussed in the last part, and you must have note down this exercise also into your fair book. Now the next exercise, this exercise is also you will note down in your fair book. Now let us discuss this exercise, that how many kilograms do you weigh. So here is you will have to say what is your weight, and the answer should be I weigh 25 kilograms, or my weight is 25 kilogram. But here you will answer I weigh 25 kilograms. Then the next one is, what is the approximate total weight of 12 students like you together? So once again we will have to write approximate of 12 students. Suppose each students weigh 25 kilogram, then what is the weight of 25 students? See, here is the answer. 25 kilogram multiplied by 12 student is equal to 300 kilogram. How is it so? Say one student weigh 12 kilogram, therefore 25 students will weigh, then there is a cross multiplication, that is 25 multiplied by 12 is equal to 300 kilogram. Okay, and that is why the answer should be 25 multiplied by 12 kilogram, 25 kilogram multiplied by 12 students is equal to 300 kilogram. This should be your answer. Then after, the next one is this one. Compare the total weight of 12 students with the weight of total mangoes picked from this orchard. Which one is less? Here we will compare the weight of 12 students and total mangoes picked from the orchard. Okay, and the answer should be here. See, total weight of 12 students is less than the weight of total mangoes picked from orchard. Why? Because here is the method. See, because total mangoes picked from the orchard is 43,200 kilogram, and total weight of 12 students is 300 kilogram. Hence this weight 300 kilogram is less than 43,200. And now how many times it is less? To find out, we should divide 43,200 divided by 300 kilogram, and is equal to 144. So it is 144 times less, isn't it? So answer should be this one. Okay, let's go for the next. If 5 kilogram mangoes are consumed at our home every week, how many kilogram? 5 kilogram mangoes are consumed at our home every week, and if each kilogram will cost 75 rupees, 75, how many kilogram of mangoes will be required for 1 month? What will be the cost of it? So here there are two to three questions. First of all, 5 kilogram mangoes are consumed at our home every week. So in a week we used to consume 5 kilogram mangoes, and if each kilogram will cost 75, मतलब 1 kilogram cost 75, so 5 kilogram will cost, that what we will find out. And the another question also, let's find out the answer. See, here is the answer. Say mango consumed in 7 days, is equal to 5 kilogram. So mangoes consumed in 30 days. Why? Because there is 30 days in 1 month. That is why within 30 days it will be 30 multiplied by 5 divided by 7 is equal to 21.42 kilogram. Actually 2142 is approximate value of 21 kilogram. Let me show you. This is approximate sign. See, this is not equal to sign. Here you can say this is equal to sign. This is approximate sign. Can you see? Something like this is an approximate sign. That means what? 21.42 kilogram is equal to approximately 21 kilogram. So here we will take now 21 kilogram only. Okay. So now cost of 1 kilogram. Cost of 1 kilogram mango is equal to 75 rupees 75. So cost of 21 kilogram is equal to 21 multiplied by 75 is equal to 1575 rupees. So within month we used to buy mangoes 21 kilogram, that what we consume, and the cost of 21 kilogram of mango is 1575 rupees. Okay, let's go for next question. The next question is, if the mango season continue for 3 months, how many? 3 months, and you eat mangoes regularly. So full these 3 months you eat mango every day of 3 months. Give an estimate of mangoes required and its cost during the season. So now the another question is, if the season of 3 months regularly you are eating mangoes, the estimate cost of mangoes and estimate mangoes required in a month, 3 months. Okay, let's give the answer for the question. Here is the method. The required mango in 1 month is equal to 21 kilogram. That what we find out in the previous question. In a 1 month required mango is 21 kilogram. So the requirement of mango in 3 months is equal to 3 months multiplied by 21 kilogram is equal to 63 kilogram of mango required in 3 months. Okay. Now this one, cost of mango for 1 month is equal to 1575. That what also we find out in the previous question. So the cost of mango for 3 months will be 3 months multiplied by rupees 1575 is equal to 4725 rupees. So within 3 months we required 63 kilogram mangoes during the season, and its cost is rupees 4725. Now the way parrot bites the raw mango, the village kids compete with each other. The village kids compete with each other for getting the mangoes from the tree by hitting stones during the vacation time. Generally, mango used to come in the time of vacation, that is in the month of May and June. During that, your vacation is used to be there, isn't it? So in the vacation time, village students, village kids, what they used to do, they used to compete with each other for getting the mangoes from the tree by hitting stones during the vacation time. If they are able to get the mango, they become very happy. Why? Because by hitting a stone, they get a mango. And sometimes these mangoes are picked up with the spirit of competition among the children. But sometimes kids get hurt by stones too, isn't it? Sometimes they are throwing stones to the mangoes, and sometimes one of the kid may hurt by stones. Sometimes emotions of people get hurt, and mothers are constantly worried for the kids, and mothers are worried for the kids. Why? Because her son may not get hurt from those stones. That is why constantly mother used to worried about her kid. This phenomena is not visible in cities. Why? Because in cities no students or no boys used to go to the farm, because farm is too far from the city. That is why those city boys cannot go to farm. If such scenes are created, drama of Mahabharat takes place under the mango trees. Noise of people go louder than cooing of a cuckoo bird. So sometimes there might be Mahabharat take place, means quarrel in between these boys and under the mango tree, and noise of people go louder than cooing of a cuckoo bird. That what happened during the season. By this time we are finishing our part 3, and will meet you in the next session. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves, and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.